Alright guys, I'm doing a review on the Silk Almond Vanilla. This is the unsweetened version. So check a look at the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. As you can see, it is fortified with vitamins. And it has your calcium in there. 0 grams sugar. Let's do a quick taste test. So there you go. That's what it looks like, guys. So consistency is not too watery. It's got a nice almond flavor to it. It's not as watery as rice milk can be, so definitely check it out. Nice aroma to the almonds. And if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.